How to change passwords in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can change your passwords in Wrike. So let's watch till the end. The first step is to sign into your X account. Of course, without signing in, you cannot do anything on your X account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to the inbox page where you can see the recent things you've done, by the left side of the screen, you also see a navigation bar displaying some options. You can see the Rike's logo, and then next to it you can see your profile icon. Once you see this, just go ahead and click on it. Now, after clicking your profile icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like settings, workspace appearance, recycle bin, apps and integrations, mobile apps, help, privacy and policy, logout. Just go ahead and click on settings. After clicking on settings, of course, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, automatically you'll be brought to your profile details, and there is what this is where we have our business. This is where we are going to change passwords. So once you're underneath this particular tab, just scroll down until you can see sign in and security. Now, under sign in and security, you can see email addresses. Then you can see change password, right? To change your password, you will need to confirm your email first. So the next step is to type in your old password here, your new password here. Repeat the new password, click on change password, and then just like that, your password would be changed. It is so simple. Enter in the old password first of all, enter the new password, repeat the new password that you want to change it to, click on change password, and then your password will be changed automatically. Thanks for watching and have a good day.